Hello and welcome back to BBC English Online. Do you find it easy to ask questions in English, but when someone asks you a question, you suddenly get stuck? Maybe you understand the question, but you don't know how to answer naturally. You are not alone. In today's lesson, we are going to fix that. In this video, you will practice 100 daily English questions and answers for real-life English conversation. You will learn how to answer simple questions, personal questions, career questions, and social questions confidently. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve English speaking, listening, pronunciation, and fluency through the shadowing method. Here is how you should practice. First, listen to the question. Second, listen to the answer. Third, repeat after me out loud. Don't just watch the video silently. Speak with me. Your mouth needs practice, not only your brain. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to answer common English questions naturally and confidently. So, let's start. Category 1. Personal life questions. Now let's practice questions about personal life. These are common questions people ask in daily conversation.
What is your name?
My name is David. You can call me David.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh, but I'm interested in learning English for global communication.
Where do you live?
I live in Dhaka. It is a busy city, but I like it.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a student. I'm learning English to improve my future opportunities.
What do you do for fun?
I usually watch videos, listen to music, and practice English in my free time.
How's your family?
They are doing well, thank you for asking.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married yet.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice with chicken curry. I really enjoy homemade food.
What is your favorite drink?
I like tea because it helps me feel relaxed.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue because it feels calm and peaceful.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music and motivational songs.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I do. I like movies that teach something meaningful.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is learning new things, especially English speaking.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 in the morning.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 11 at night.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I wake up, pray, have breakfast, and get ready for the day.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I do. Reading helps me learn new words and ideas.
What kind of books do you like?
I like self-improvement books and English learning books.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling because I can see new places and meet new people.
Where would you like to travel?
I would like to travel to London one day.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is my home because I feel comfortable there.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
I think I'm a morning person because I feel fresh in the morning.
What makes you happy?
Learning something new and spending time with family makes me happy.
What makes you sad?
I feel sad when I waste time or miss a good opportunity.
What are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of failure, but I try to learn from every mistake.
What are you proud of?
I'm proud of myself because I'm trying to improve every day.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax, watch videos, practice English, and spend time with my family.
Can you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking and friendly person. I always try to learn and improve.
Category 2. Career, study, and goals. Now let's move to career, study, and goals. These questions are very useful in school, interviews, work, and daily conversation. Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student, and I'm also learning English for my future career.
What subject do you study?
I study business, but I'm also interested in communication skills.
Where do you work?
I work at a small company in my city.
What is your job?
I work as a customer service assistant.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It helps me learn how to communicate with people.
Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English because it can help me get better opportunities in life.
Is English difficult for you?
Sometimes it is difficult, but I believe practice makes it easier.
What is the hardest part of English for you?
Speaking is the hardest part for me because I need more confidence.
How do you practice English?
I practice English by listening, repeating, reading, and speaking every day.
How long have you been learning English?
I have been learning English for a few years, but now I'm practicing more seriously.
What is your goal in English?
My goal is to speak English fluently and confidently in real-life situations.
Do you want to speak like a native speaker?
I want to speak clearly and naturally. I don't need to be perfect.
What are your future plans?
My future plan is to improve my skills and get a good job.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a successful person who can help my family.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is one where I can use my skills and grow every day.
Why do you want a better job?
I want a better job so I can support myself and my family.
What skills do you want to improve?
I want to improve my English speaking, computer skills, and confidence.
Are you good at communication?
I'm improving. I try to listen carefully and speak clearly.
Do you like working alone or with a team?
I like working with a team because I can learn from others.
What is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength is that I don't give up easily.
What is your weakness?
My weakness is that sometimes I feel nervous when speaking English.
How do you handle pressure?
I try to stay calm, think clearly, and do one thing at a time.
Are you a hardworking person?
Yes, I am. I believe hard work is important for success.
How do you manage your time?
I make a simple plan and try to finish important tasks first.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things because it helps me grow.
What motivates you?
My family and my dreams motivate me to work hard.
What is success for you?
Success means improving myself and living a happy, meaningful life.
What do you do when you fail?
I try to learn from my mistakes and start again.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a more confident and skilled person.
What advice would you give to English learners?
Practice every day, don't fear mistakes, and speak as much as possible.
Category 3. Social interaction questions. Now let's practice social questions. These questions are used when you meet friends, classmates, coworkers, or new people. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
How have you been?
I've been doing well, thanks for asking.
What's up?
Not much. I'm just practicing English.
How was your day?
My day was good. I learned something useful today.
How was your weekend?
It was nice and relaxing. I spent time with my family.
Long time no see. How are you?
Yes, it's been a long time. I'm doing well.
What are you doing now?
I'm watching an English lesson and practicing speaking.
Are you busy?
A little bit, but I can talk for a few minutes.
Can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Can you help me?
Of course. I'll try my best to help you.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand. Could you please explain one more time?
Could you repeat that?
Sure. Please say it again slowly.
What do you mean?
Could you explain it in a simpler way?
What do you think about this?
I think it's a good idea, but we should discuss it more.
Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree with you. That makes sense.
Do you disagree?
I understand your point, but I have a slightly different opinion.
What's your opinion?
In my opinion, practice is the best way to improve English.
Do you like this idea?
Yes, I like it. It sounds useful and practical.
Are you free today?
I'm free in the evening. We can talk then.
Would you like to join us?
Yes, I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me.
Do you want some tea?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like something light, maybe a sandwich.
How much is this?
It is $5.
Can you give me a discount?
Could you please give me a small discount?
Shadowing practice session. Great job. Now it's time for shadowing practice. In this section, I will say the question and answer. Then you repeat the answer after me. Speak clearly. Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on rhythm, pronunciation, and confidence. What's your name?
My name is David.
Repeat after me. My name is David. Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Repeat after me. I'm from Bangladesh. What do you do?
I'm a student, and I'm learning English.
Repeat after me. I'm a student, and I'm learning English. Why are you learning English?
I'm learning English to improve my speaking and confidence.
Repeat after me. I'm learning English to improve my speaking and confidence. How do you practice English?
I practice by listening, repeating, and speaking every day.
Repeat after me. I practice by listening, repeating, and speaking every day. What do you do for fun?
I watch videos, listen to music, and practice English.
Repeat after me. I watch videos, listen to music, and practice English. How's your family?
They are doing well, thank you for asking.
Repeat after me. They are doing well, thank you for asking. How was your day?
My day was good. I learned something new.
Repeat after me. My day was good. I learned something new. What are your future plans?
My plan is to improve my skills and get a good job.
Repeat after me. My plan is to improve my skills and get a good job. What is your biggest strength?
My biggest strength is that I don't give up easily.
Repeat after me. My biggest strength is that I don't give up easily. What is your weakness?
Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking English.
Repeat after me. Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking English. What do you think about English?
I think English is very useful for communication.
Repeat after me. I think English is very useful for communication. Can you help me?
Of course. I'll try my best to help you.
Repeat after me. Of course. I'll try my best to help you. Could you repeat that?
Sure. Please say it again slowly.
Repeat after me. Sure. Please say it again slowly. What advice would you give to English learners?
Practice every day and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Repeat after me. Practice every day and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Conversation. Excellent. You have just practiced 100 daily English questions and answers. If you repeated them out loud, you are already training your speaking muscles. Now let me teach you a secret. When someone asks you a question in English, you don't always need to answer immediately. Native speakers also take time to think, but they don't stay silent. They use small phrases called filler words. For example, if someone asks, "What do you think about learning English?" Don't stay silent. You can say, "That's an interesting question." Then answer, "I think learning English is very useful." You can also say, "Well, let me see." Then answer, "I think practice is very important." Another useful phrase is, "Actually." For example, "Actually, I'm still learning, but I'm improving every day." Here are some useful filler phrases. Well, I think it's a good idea. Let me think. Let me think. I would say speaking is the hardest part. That's a good question. That's a good question. I'm learning English because I want better opportunities. To be honest, I feel nervous sometimes, but I keep practicing. In my opinion, shadowing is one of the best ways to improve speaking. These phrases give you a few seconds to think. They also make your English sound more natural. So remember, when you don't know what to say immediately, don't panic. Use a filler phrase, take a breath, and then answer slowly. Confidence does not mean perfect English. Confidence means you keep speaking even when you make mistakes. Great job today. In this lesson, you practiced 100 daily English questions and answers for real-life conversation. You learned personal questions, career and goal questions, social interaction questions, shadowing practice, and useful filler words. Now your homework is simple. Choose 5 questions from this video and write your own answers in the comments. For example, what is your name? Where are you from? Why are you learning English? What is your biggest strength? What are your future plans? Write your answers in the comment section. I will try to read them and help you improve. Also, tell me, which question is the hardest for you to answer in English? If you want a PDF of all these 100 questions and answers, comment PDF below. And don't forget to subscribe to BBC English Online for more English speaking practice, daily use English sentences, pronunciation practice, shadowing practice, and fluency tips. Keep practicing. Speak every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.